Hey guys, we received this lever gear cable kit for test and try. So this is a lever gear cable kit. It's a USB keychain charger card. Includes a micro USB cable and then a secondary adapter and things. So let me just see. Like in this cable itself, you can see that there is a inside cable. Let me just take this out. Yeah, so you can see like this is a adapter here, USB to USB-C, a second adapter in here for the USB-C to Lightning. So here you can do a lot of other things. So these cables are really good and handy in case, like say, if you want to just put it to the Lightning, you can ch change this USB-C to the Lightning, and then also start charging things. And then if you want to change this adapter to something else, that you can also do. So there's a small handy adapter that you can take with you. See, like with the USB-C also, it goes really well in the USB-C socket.